Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I know so many of you are following me on Instagram, but also so many of you are not following me on Instagram, and I wanted to show you everything I'm posting on Instagram. Maybe you want to see what types of posts or what types of pictures I'm posting on Instagram, or what types of makeup looks I'm creating and posting on Instagram. And yeah, by the way, I received so much amazing feedback on my last post on Instagram. Everyone was saying, wow, this makeup look is amazing, please recreate this. Let me know if you want me to recreate this colorful makeup look. And yes, without further ado, let's get started. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, I'm going to post a new video after a few days. Also, let me know in the comments what do you think about this video. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you, see you next time, bye.